Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle in this complete beginner's tutorial. So first, it is important to know that using Zelle and using the Zelle app are not always the same. So some banks already have Zelle built into their own banking app, so you may not need to download the separate Zelle app at all. So to start, open up the App Store and search for Zelle. So once you find the app, you can open it and get started. And from there, choose whether you want to allow notification, then enter your phone number. After that, follow the prompts and accept the required terms so that you can continue. Next, Zelle will ask you to search for your bank. Type in the name of the bank that you use, and if your bank already supports Zelle, the app may tell you that Zelle is available inside your banking app. So in that case, you can simply open your bank app and look for an option like send money with Zelle. And if your bank is not listed, tap the option that says you don't see your bank, then enter your email and continue with the setup. So the app may also ask for your debit card information so that your account can be connected. So once everything is ready, sending money is simple. Search for a person by name, phone number, or email, and then choose the contact, enter the amount, review the details, and then continue. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.